Gonna be a fast draw. Tonight we're gonna draw a dreamcaster. Alexa, play After the Blackout.
Lego Ninjago, After the Blackout, by Ninjago Music in full on Amazon Music.
This monster was created by Dr. Robotnik. This was one of his scariest fighters that he's ever created. This fighter came out long before Sonic Prime was released. Basically, this guy is a phantom wearing clothes. Ghost clothes. Okay, getting started. We start with the swirls on his eyes. You don't know how long I've wanted to draw a Dreamcaster. He reminds me of Ghostface, minus the face. Now here's the hand. Here the robe. His claws are really sharp and Troionic. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a Dreamcaster. He has the power to hypnotize anyone and make them do his video. He even tried to hack into the channels. That was very scary. But we've seen his true form. Imagine if this guy was part of Sonic's team. He would have been a great ally. I bet he would. Anyway, that is how you draw a Dreamcaster. The Robo Ghost. Be sure to let me know which one you want me to draw next. Until next time, ooh, sweet snuggles, everyone.